All right, guys, we're at Michael's house. Check out their new camper. Hello. Time to get this man on the tube. Go 35 with him on the tube. Fly him off the side. At least 5. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. We're going on a boat today. This is the Yamaha 2014 AR190. Got my boy Marcos here with us.
Gang, gang, what's up?
Yeah. Got it hooked up to the QX80. Does great. All right, guys, this morning we're gonna make some breakfast casserole with some eggs and some sausage and some bacon and some homemade country gravy. Then we're gonna take it over to Mike's house. We're gonna feed everybody and go out on the boat. All right, guys, we're at Michael's house. Check out their new camper. We're gonna go camping here next weekend. Yeah, just had to fill up the boat, got some gas, now we're gonna go eat some breakfast. Look at Remy's new dress. I love it, baby, it's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Kyler got new board shorts.
And look at my swimming suit.
Ooh, I like your swimsuit too.
Here, Ginger. You see her?
Hello. I hear them.
Never open the store.
Breakfast casserole was fire. Try this Tayberry pie. We're ready to leave. Time to hit the boat. Time to get this man on the tube. Go 35 with him on the tube. Fly him off the side.
At least 5.
All right, guys, we're here at Hagg. Who's excited today? Who's excited? Woo! What do you do when you get this Yamaha? Replace the bow roller, because this one, as you can see, all the gel coating has scratched up the boat horribly. Takes 2 seconds. Me and the wife here are doing it right now. All you need is a 3/4 and an extension and a deep socket. All right, guys, we just launched the boat and then I had to go change that bow roller, and now we are here. John's holding down the boat since we don't have any fenders right now. We just returned those Century Mission fenders and they sucked. How's it going, Captain?
Yeah, pulling the boat down the Captain.
Guys, beautiful wifey riding the bow. Gonna go set up. We're gonna put this huge island we got out. Fits like 10 people. Then we're gonna take these guys out wakeboarding. Yeah. Hey, don't forget to take your. John tried for his first time wakeboarding, but he lost his gauges. Alright, guys, we're filling it up. Filling up the air island. Alright, guys, it might have taken 45 minutes. No, not really. It took about 30 minutes though, and we got it set up. We got a whole nother boat out there. This is actually perfect, honestly, because then they don't eat food in the boat, they don't get all up in the boat, in and out of the water in the boat. They just chill out there, and then they come in the boat when we need to go back.